Hello, hello. Customer asked me, can I shampoo the Oriental rug on the floor? Allow me to explain. My name is Mayor Martin. I invented the PetPeePee cleaning process. Customer ask, PetPeePee answer. So I made this video specifically. Can I shampoo the Oriental rug at home? Allow me to explain. And this is a long session. If your Oriental rug is dirty from dirt and soil or traffic area, and you would like to go to Home Depot and rent the machine because the money tied, I understand. You can shampoo your rug using cold water and very little bit detergent. It's not going to be perfect, but this is the best what you can get for what you're doing. However, if you having a pee problem on the rug smell bad from urine odor, and especially it start in a dining room. So if you having Oriental rug that smell bad, and your question is, can I shampoo the Oriental rug on the floor? Allow me to explain. If you're having Mexican tile, wood floor, coral, even some type of marbles, all of those floor will absorb the urine. So the pee right now is not only on your Oriental rug, is also in the floor, in the hardwood floor, in the Mexican tile. So you can shampoo the rug with your machine. What are you doing? You just provide more oxygen, more food to the bacteria that cause the bad odor. So you give the bacteria the moisture they are starving for. And now the next day after you work all the weekend, your wife was so upset about you, and the rug smell and the dining room smell like a public restroom. So you ask yourself, what shall I do?
My dog peed on the carpet and I don't know what to do. My mother said pet pee works and it guarantees it too. Pet pee.
Removing the urine odor have to be done through the rug, from the top to the bottom, the same way what you see it right now. I am flooding the rug on the top with a lot of cleaning product from the Dead Sea. The cleaner that I'm using have to be odor free if I would like to remove the urine odor. Because if I am using a vanilla deodorized cleaner and it will blend with a pee, it will become as a pee vanilla smell, and is not so good. Your wife is not going to like it. For this reason, I put together a very complex system to clean Oriental rug through the fiber. Ask yourself, before you start working all the weekend and spending so much money on cleaning product that is not going to give you any result, guarantee. Ask yourself, can I wash the rug through the fiber, remove all the urine crystal that it's all the way deep inside the rug, and dry the rug as the right way on the floor? No, you cannot do that. You don't have the tools, the machine, the system, and the experience to do that. And when you calling any carpet cleaner that's promise you that he can remove the urine odor from the rug, Ask them, do you guarantee in writing, upon delivery, no trace of any odor? Because I pay you to remove the urine odor. I pay you to remove the urine odor. I didn't pay you to cover the Oriental rug with a deodorized or enzyme smell. This is the key issue. The cleaning product that you use have to be odor-free. And you have to wash your rug through the fiber to remove all the urine crystal that drop deep inside the dining room rug. So if you're having a beautiful rug that your wife love it and you want to keep it under the dining room, take my advice. Please don't do it yourself. You will end like the lady from Iowa. Allow me to describe the journey that you're going through if you decide to shampoo the rug at home. You go to Home Depot, you rent the machine, you ask the salesman over there that he don't have any clue about urine odor removal. What do you recommend I have a smell in my Oriental rug? The salesman will tell you, take this enzyme, it's excellent. What did he know about it? You take the enzyme, then it's a basically soap. You put it in a hot water because you believe hot water will clean better. And you start shampooing the rug. In the beginning, you will be very happy because the smell that's the cleaner sent to the air, it's a beautiful vanilla deodorized. And everybody like vanilla deodorized. But the next morning when you wake up, your dining room will start smelling like a pee-pee vanilla. And your wife will looking at you like you made the problem. And you will be very upset. So you shampoo the rug again before you have to deliver the rug, the machine back to Home Depot. So you shampoo again and you put more hot water and then you put more soap in it. And the rug will become as a pee-pee soap. And the smell will be in the evening lovely. Nobody want to stay at home and nobody, of course, can eat in a dining room. So you fold the rug and you take it to the garage. Now, you go Monday to work and the rug starts smelling and is in a garage and it becomes stiff as a cardboard because you don't have the proper ventilation to dry the rug the right way. Please, don't clean Oriental rug at home. You will save a lot of money and effort. If you love the rug, if your wife loves the rug, ship it to PetPeePee. We love cleaning Oriental rug. I invented the cleaning process, the machine, that it is different than any other cleaning process in the world. No scrubber, no touching the rug. And the reviews on Google prove that what I said, it's true. PetPeePee, a nationwide service for cleaning high quality Oriental rug, area rug, or Oriental rug that you or your wife love. And I guarantee color will never run, and I guarantee total odor removal, including deodorized, enzyme, and all the crap, plus the bad odor. Enjoy my video. Thank you very much for watching the Pet Pee video. Have any question? Ask PetPeePee. Write it in the bottom. Any question you have, and I'd be glad to make a video and answer on your question. Thank you. Happy holiday. Happy Thanksgiving 2021. I hope so 22 will be better. Thank you, and you have a good evening from Florida.